G'day, I'm Tara, member for Ginninderra, and I'm here today with Gordon Ramsay, who's our Attorney General and also my fellow member for Ginninderra. And I thought it was really important ahead of the debate on restoring territory rights next week to get the perspective from the ACT Attorney General. So Gordon, why is restoring territory rights so important to citizens of the ACT?
Well, Tara, one of the most important things about democracy in Australia is that your rights shouldn't depend on where you live. And here in the ACT at the moment, people who live here in the ACT don't have the same democratic rights as people who live just a few kilometres down the road in New South Wales or in other parts of Australia. It's fundamental that for us here in the ACT, our representative body here, the Legislative Assembly, should be able to decide matters that are of interest for people in the ACT. And at the moment, we're denied that. That's a fundamental right for all of the people here in the ACT, all 400,000 citizens, and it's something that we need to change.
Thanks, Gordon. And if the rights were restored to the territories, is it likely that the ACT Parliament would be looking to rush through laws on voluntary assisted dying?
I think that's actually one of the things that's become that red herring there. We are not looking to do anything quickly in relation to the matter, simply because at the moment we can't legislate it. This is not a debate about voluntary assisted dying. This is a debate about the fundamental democratic rights of the people who live in the ACT. Once the laws are changed, the Commonwealth laws are changed, and I hope that they will be, then the government can consider at that stage what it may or may not do. But we certainly don't have any intention of rushing through any consideration at the moment.
And Gordon, is there anything that you'd like to say to the senators in the lead up to the vote next week?
I would say to the senators who are there as elected members, as elected people from right across Australia, that the same democratic principles that have got them elected should also uphold the rights here in the ACT. And that democracy here in Australia is just so important. So please change the legislation so that the ACT has those territory rights.
Thanks, Gordon. Really important points. Thanks for joining us today.